Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm fantastic as always. So today I have an announcement to make, and I know it's a bit late. I should have done this during the end of last year, but it's never too late to start a new beginning. So I will be revealing the plans for a year ahead for our channel and how it will look like. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Alright, so before I share with you my plan for our channel, let me share with you the significance of planning and why it's really important to be specific and to plan in a way that it matches your vision and mission. If I have to share my mission is to reach out to as many people as possible and encourage them to read more books. So there are certain set of questions which was supposed to be answered, and I believe that the reason why I'm having this channel is because of the passion for reading books. And I know I have added some education part as well, so that's something which I'm going to change a bit. So planning in like what is my goal for this year? My goal is to reach out more than 100,000 people so that I can encourage them to read more and get their journey started in becoming an avid reader and master their self development. That they're growing in different aspects of their life. So that's my goal. And desired outcome is to see people growing. And if I can add a little bit of value and encourage them, push them, because some people require that push, that support system, that accountability. And more on accountability later in the video because I have something crazy which I've created for all of you and everybody can join that. So yeah, desired outcome is people need accountability. The reason why they don't achieve their goal is they don't have somebody to push. They don't have anyone to hold them accountable. But here I am holding you guys accountable towards your self development and self mastery. So that's desired outcome. So what is the strategies? Strategies is exactly the thing which I'm going to share with you, the plan which I've created for the week ahead for our channel. So every week this thing is going to be followed. And results depending on your efforts and depending on my efforts, like I am going full out for you guys and making sure that you guys get what you really want to have right now. What things have helped me become the person I am and to achieve the goals I have targeted. And then finally, it's a cycle like results you get, now you review, you get things done and see what's is the next step, how you can improve on. This is the same thing I'm doing right now because previously, by looking at that, I can work on education stuff. So I thought let's add education as well. And that's how I decided to agree and grow upon. So again, I am back with something crazy and I hope you will like it. And if you want any changes, you can definitely share with me in the comment section by 31st of January so that I can make those changes and implement it right away. So let's understand how our week is going to look like. So I have this thing with me. So I've written down everything and I'll be sharing and reading it out for all of you that how it is going to look like and what you guys can expect. And also planning helps you to have a bull's eye on your goal, where you're going. So be specific where you're going and it applies in every area, not in just our channel, but in every aspect of life. Have a bull's eye where you know where you're going. And one more thing, I'll be coming up on Mondays as well now. So it will be 7 videos a week now, every day. Previously, I used to just add 6 videos on my channel every week, but now from Monday as well. So what are the things I will be sharing? So on Monday, what I've decided is I'll be sharing some short videos. I've seen that YouTube Shorts has come along and it is making a huge impact. So on Shorts, what I'm going to share with you is anything and everything. It can be of any topic. Of course, it will be related to book as well, but I want to give a different perspective to different areas of life as well because there is a lot to explore, to be honest. So what I've decided is, in that 1 minute video, I will try to share something which I don't tend to share with everyone. So it can be my life story, it can be my life experience, it can be anything you guys want me to share about. So you can leave in the comment section what you want to hear from me so that I can work upon it. So Tuesdays, it will remain the same. It will be a book review, which I read generally. So that's what I'll be doing. So Tuesday is fixed book reviews. Wednesday, since I've started education 2-3 months back on the month of November, I'm not going to stop it. So education part will come, but only on Wednesdays nowadays. Now, not more than that. 1 day a week for education. Rest 6 days, not 6 days, but 5 days will be dedicated to books. So Wednesday it will be education. Thursday and Friday. So while I was making this plan, I was thinking that what if I miss a day? Do you know how to plan things and make sure that you don't miss anything? It's accountability, and also the commitment you make publicly. So here is a public declaration, because the things which I'm going to do on Thursdays and Friday really takes efforts from my end. Okay, because it's not easy, as I'm a solo creator. I create my own content, I write my own content, I make my own content, I film, I video, I edit, and I upload. So everything has been done by my side only. So about Thursday, this is something which I've never done before, and there are things already working on this thing, but it will be a unique way which I'm going to share. So I'll be coming up with audiobooks, and the books which I've read recently, or the books which I've already read. So I'll be reading them again for you guys and upload it on every Thursday. So Thursday it will be all about audiobooks. Friday. So like there are many interesting facts, fun facts, quotations, all things are shared on social media about particular area. But I find it relevant that I should come up with something different on the channel, which I believe is less spoken about. It's about the fun facts and interesting facts about books, and also quotes. So Friday will all dedicated towards the fun facts, the interesting facts, and the quotes from the recent book, or it can come up with research as well, because interesting facts can only be shared by research as well. Fun fact I can share what I have read from the book. And apart from the fun facts and quotes will always be done based on the book I read recently. So the review which I'm going to share on Tuesday is the same book from where I'll be sharing the fun facts and the quotes. And also there can be some generic as well, because generic make more sense. You can't target somebody directly. Like, you think about it. Have you ever targeted someone directly? If yes, then that should be someone very close. So I'm not here to target anyone, but have fun and make things interesting and understandable for you, that it's important to read and how fun it is to read books. So yeah, that's Friday for you. Saturday, it will be all about mindset and mindfulness. Like, what are the things you need to keep in mind before you start reading or before you do anything? Mindset is not limited to the stuff like for books, but also it can work in every aspect of life. So I'll make sure that I share something crazy about it. So mindset, it is for Saturday. For Sunday, like, how many of you guys like music, by the way? Like, I'm sure most of you, right? So I'm just guessing that 90-95% of the people like music. So those 5%, this is for you. And it's a treat for 90-95% as well. So I'll be sharing some music videos, which comes from like my friends, piano, guitar, or maybe some ASMR. So all these things, videos, interesting stuff which I use or which I hear while reading it. So I'll be sharing that every Sunday without fail, which will start from anywhere from 30 minutes to 8 hours. So you might have a question, why 8 hours? Like 3 hours, 4 hours is good for reading for a day, or even 2 hours. Still, that's fine. But why 8 hours? 8 hours is something. There can be some beats which can help you reprogram your subconscious mind. Like music really gives that dopamine to your brain. So Sunday, I will be all about the binaural beats, the alpha music, beta, theta, everything. 5, 28, 832, like all kind of hertz you can think about. I will be, or 852, like all kind of hertz. I'll be sharing that with all of you. So that's Sunday. So remember I talked about the accountability thing. The accountability thing which I was talking about is I've created a platform on Facebook and also on WhatsApp. But WhatsApp, there is some criteria you need to fulfill to get into that group, because I will be there, my team will be there, where things are going to be managed. So, but Facebook, it's open for all. Anybody can join. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description box where you can just click on and join the group. Why this group? Because as I've already shared, people want somebody to be accountable. And if somebody is there to push you, don't you think you will be able to perform more in a safe surrounding where everybody is doing the same thing? And always vibe with people whom you resonate with. And because my master told me, my tribe is my vibe. So you are the outcome of the 5 people you hang around with. So think about it. If you have 5 readers around you, you will automatically become a reader. It can be of any reason, but you will be a reader. And they will push you. They will make sure that you read. They will make sure they hold you accountable for that. So join that group, and I will also be there. So we will have a fun session there, and we can have a weekly session live with me and with my team. A lot of things can be done. Like it will be really, really fun. So I'm really looking forward for all of you to see you on the other side. So yeah, guys, this is the plan which I have thought of for our channel in coming months for a year ahead. So what do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section, and if you want any changes or you don't like something, then do let me know as well, so that if required I'll make some changes as well. But do let me know by 31st of January, because from 1st Feb I'm going to kickstart this thing and follow it religiously. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share today, and I'll see you next week again with an audiobook, the first audiobook which I'm going to share, and that book is something which really changed my life. So yeah, and if you guys like the video, then do share it with your friends and do hit that thumbs up, because that really gives me a dopamine and a push to get along and make videos for you guys. And also, if you're new to my channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon button to make sure that whenever my video comes in, you guys get notified immediately and you can watch it without fail. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.